came here, and I did not want to come here. I didn't like the first year, and I didn't want to come back, but then I came back, and every year has gotten better. I like the people here. They're really nice, and like you get to know everyone. There's no strangers here. Even when somebody new comes, you get to know them after like a week or two. I like being at home on Fridays and doing home lessons, so it's like more flexible. When I went to go visit Colorado Christian for a couple days, they had classes there, and everybody else was frantically trying to take notes the whole time so that they could remember the class, which was a business class. But then I took like a couple lines of notes, and then I just could stop taking notes and just listen the whole time, and I remembered all of it because it was interesting. Well, I would say that like the people here like actually live out their faith. It like brings everybody else up, and it makes you want to be a better person.